main materials for fibre clay pots is magnesium oxide, snowstone, fiberglass, and other composite materials. In different season, the formula will change according to the weather, so the technician's experience is very important to control the percentage for all materials. When the material is fully mixed, the technician will assure the right time to distribute the materials to workers and make sure the materials could be run out before drying. At the same time, moulding workers have started to spraying oil on moulds. Oil is very important for pot surface and also make peeling the pot out of the moulds easier. When the moulds are ready, the workers will start pasting material for mould cover first. The pot cover is the mould for the pot top edges. Workers will put fiberglass sheets on the 4 edges to make the edges stronger. Then it's the first time to paste materials for planter body. Now, it's the second time to paste dilute materials. This will be very important for the next step to attach the soft fiberglass sheets. This time, the workers will attach the soft fiberglass sheets for all sides. These soft fiberglass sheets will make the pot more stronger to take the force from insides and outsides. Again, the dilute materials will be sprinkled again to solid the soft fiberglass sheets, assuring no gap and bubbles between the sheets and materials. Now the worker will brush all sides to make sure the inside of pot will be smooth enough. Then the worker will put the mould cover on and remove the needless materials. And remove the extra materials on the edges to refine the shape. Till now, the rough planter body are finished. After 6 to 8 hours drying, it's the time to remove the mould and take the ready planter out. In wintertime, the drying time will be longer. At the same time, workers will clean the mould and prepare for the next production.
After taking the planters out of the molds, it's time for grinding. When the planter body was took out of the molds, the surface is uneven. The worker need to smooth every sides and all corners. This would help the later makeup and painting. After grinding, the worker will start mending the small holes and lost pieces with the prepared material. This will assure the pots become perfectly smooth and no defective pots. After the pots are perfectly made up, our painting department workers will start for the first painting, the ceiling painting for isolating the pots with water, frost, and oxygen. This will avoid the pots from oxidizing, frost, and efflorescence. Then comes to the second painting. It can protect from direct sunlight. This painting is anti-scratching and anti-fading. Some colors also need the anti-water painting and special coating painting. All colors can be customized as to your needs. After painting, the pots need to be drying for 7 to 10 days before packing. There are many different ways of packing: PE, bubble foam, mail packing, etc. These are all depending on customers' requirements. Till now, you will see how many procedures will be needed before a fiber clay pot finished. All products are made, crafted, and finished by hand. This approach creates unique pieces that meet the highest quality standards and the highest quality. We aim to provide you lightweight, high durability, natural appearance, modern design, and 100% handmade planter pots. We sincerely hope that our pots will add a touch of luxury to your home and enrich any outdoor space.